JavaScript to Python to After Effects and beyond. Today we are going to explore which are the best programming languages for data visualization as well. JavaScript. JavaScript is an object-oriented programming language that's mainly used for client-side scripting, although it's often used for Python. Python is a general-purpose programming language that is often used for data analytics. Processing. Processing is a programming language and environment that is used for visual arts, design and computer art. R. R is not only a letter of the alphabet, but it is also an interpreted programming language. After Effects. After Effects is a visual effects and motion graphics software used to create visualizations and animation.